Good morning all my dear friends. Today I am here to give a lecture on topic of Indian Space Research Organization, which is the India's first national agency for developing the satellites, rockets and space technology for the communication, weather forecast and defense surveillance and the scientific exploitations. If you're talking about the history, this is founded by Vikram Sarabhai, and in 1975 we launched the first India's first satellites. Name is Aryabhat with the help of the Russia, and in 1980 we launched Rohini satellite, and in 2008 we launched the Chandrayaan-1, and in 2014 we launched the Mars orbital mission first attempt, and in 2023 we launched Chandrayaan-3 and the south pole of the moon. And if we're talking about the missions, first is CATSAT for the environmental surveillance and mapping, second is INSAT for the weather forecast, and another is OceanSat 2 and 3 for the oceanic temperature changes check and fisheries oceans zones. Another is RESAT for the border surveillance and monitoring infiltrations. Fifth is the EMI set for the electronics intelligence and satellites for the defense surveillance. Last is GSAT for the communication satellite, which is used by the Indian Navy. And if we're talking about the contribution by the ISRO in the economy, first is ISRO also launched the foreign space satellites from the India from the specifically PSLV launched 400 plus satellites for over 30 countries. And if we talk about the mission Shakti in 2019, India successfully tested anti-satellite mission missile which can destroy any missile or satellites in the Earth's solar orbit. And India became the fourth country with the ASAT technology. And if we're talking about the launch pad of the ISRO's, first is PSLV for the Earth's observation and launching the foreign satellites, and PSLV launched 104 satellites in the one mission in 2017, and we use GLSV for the communication satellite to launch into the geostationary orbits, and we use LVM-3 for launching the Chandrayaan-3, Chandrayaan-2 missions, and we will launch the Gaganyaan mission from that launch pad. And last my conclusion is ISRO is famous for its scientific excellence and self-reliance, and its achievement in the space technologies is not for the strengthen national development and security, but also for the enhance the India's position and responsibility for the space power. Thank you. Jai Hind.